What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, guys, we're going to be going over the Status Network token. For those of you who don't know what it is, let me go ahead and read you the description right here. Status is an open source messaging platform and mobile browser that allows users to interact with decentralized applications, dApps for short, that run on the Ethereum network. In Status, users own and control their own data, wealth, and digital identity. The Status Network token (SNT) is an Ethereum-based token that is required to interact with the Status network. So basically, for those of in simple terms, what it's saying is Status is basically the Ethereum blockchain technology, and they're trying to bring it to the mobile operating system. But really quick, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at the markets. Bitcoin at $10,061. I told you guys Bitcoin would hit 10,000 before the year was over. Up 4%. Ethereum down almost a percentage. Ripple or Bitcoin Cash down almost 4%. Ripple up 10%. Bitcoin Gold down 10%. Litecoin. Sorry, I can't even read today. Up 7%. Dash down almost 1.5%. IOTA up almost 30%. Wow. Ethereum Classic up almost 30. Monero up 16 almost. The big one right here for me, guys, Cardano up 76%. I told you guys it'd be at 4 cents, and it actually doubled that and made it to 8 cents. Lumen's up 30%. Zcash up 7%. But let's go ahead and go ahead and take a look at Status, or SNT for short. Status SNT. So our market cap is currently at 137 million. Circulating supply, I'd say about 3.5 billion. Total supply is 6.8 billion. As you can see, so came out, late June, and as you can see, our all-time high was here at 3,118 BTC. Point, obviously not one whole BTC. And since then, it's been a bear market. But where can we get Status? So we can get Status from pretty much every major exchange: Bittrex, Binance, Liquid, Gate, HitBTC. Doesn't look like they have Bitfinex, so I'll be looking out for that ad. Maybe this will push the price up. Let's go ahead and take a look at their website here. Status, a mobile Ethereum operating system. Browse, chat, and make payments securely on the decentralized web. So I actually kind of sort of already made a video on this. Status is actually one of my top 5 coins under $1 that I'm looking at. It wasn't in the top 5, but it was in the honorable 2 that I mentioned. So let's go ahead and look. Send and receive your store Ether. Safely store your Ether and other Ethereum crypto assets. Browse decentralized apps. Explore the next generation of apps with the next generation browser. Buy and sell Ether locally. Hold on, guys. Let me turn on this music. Sorry about that. A little loud. A couple of their apps that they have at the moment. Discover a decentralized economy. This is like examples of how it would work. Transparent skill-based games where players compete for high scores. Smarter private messaging. Let's see. Facebook, Twitter, Riot, GitHub, Reddit, YouTube. Let's go ahead and take a look at their blog. I actually already have a tab open. So what is Status? What happens if I click on this? Looks like it takes me here. Status, as I said earlier, is an Ethereum-like client designed to bring the benefits of the blockchain to everyday smartphone users. Available on Android and iOS. I actually haven't tried to download this. I probably will download it later today. Maybe make a video on that. But that's pretty much it for this. Just kind of introducing you guys about Status. Status is basically the Ethereum network, and they're trying to bring that to the mobile operating system. And it makes sense because nowadays, like, don't get me wrong, like us that are interested in cryptocurrencies, want to learn something new, or we're stuck on our laptops. But a majority of us are on our phones, probably about 80 to 90% of our day. So I could see why they would definitely want to bring the blockchain technology to your mobile devices. But let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly chart here. As you guys can see, and it showed you guys earlier on the CoinMarketCap website, it's been a bear market ever since it's been released. Looks like we finally found support here, and this is Status to BTC on the weekly. Looks like we found support here at 350. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. And it looks like we're stuck in a nice little uh, bearish parallel channel. I'm looking for our next low to form. As you can tell here, we found support here at 350, tested it multiple times. Looks like we formed barely made a new high at 502, 501 we'll say. This is 499, actually didn't hit 500. So we had a new high. So let's go ahead and mark that as higher high. And I actually don't own any status yet, so I'm looking to buy this. This looks like a higher low. I'm going to explain why. So this high was higher than this high, so that's a higher high. And this low was higher than this low, so this is a higher low. So what am I expecting now? I'm definitely expecting some bullish, some bulls to take over. Actually, I was going to say some bullish momentum, but there is no momentum at all right now. So I'm expecting the bulls to make an appearance. I don't know why I'm having trouble speaking today. But where do I expect status to be? Let's go ahead and zoom this out a little bit. Let's look at some potential take profits. Definitely here. Right below the 740 zone. Another one here, right under the 1,000. These would be like my short-term take profits. A little bit further down the road, once they start to develop a little bit more, these would be the take profits I would be looking at. Oops. And as I said earlier, guys, I currently don't have any status tokens, but I am looking for an entry. And I'll be getting mine through Bittrex probably after this video. Oh yeah, definitely looks like we're going to start to see some bulls. Alright guys, so this is what I think. I think if we see a close above 400, a break and close above 400, it's going to start to swing towards the upside, possibly towards the 700. But that's just my personal opinion. I'm no financial advisor, but if you have been keeping up with the channel and you've been watching my videos, you have noticed our technical analysis has been on point. Lumens, Dash, Zcash, Monero, what else? Power Ledger, Cardano, all, in profit now. But that's pretty much it for today's videos, guys. I'm expecting this to break above 400 and close, and then make our way up towards these take profits up here. I don't expect that to happen for, what's today, the 28th, possibly like a week, maybe a week and a half. There's no big news coming for this coin yet, or token I should say. So the only thing I expect to push this is other traders. But it does look like we have found support, and it looks like we'll be making our way up now. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you don't already. I'll leave my links down below. And comment what other coins you guys are trying to see. I know you guys like the technical analysis, so I'm going to keep doing that. If you have a coin that you're watching and I haven't made a video for it, go ahead and drop me a message or leave me a comment, and I'll go ahead and respond. But thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy. Peace.